GoPro Hero 11 is doing its job right now. This is my first attempt at a 4K helmet cam ride, as well as the first ride of the season. And I'm finally on the Raptor again, which is my favorite four-wheeler. Got the bumper cam on Chad. So much power. This has got about 60 horse. And I've spent more time riding the top quad mid-size machines than bigger machines this year. In front of me, Blade 400X is so awesome. Pretty much all of us, this is our first ride of the year, man. Ooh, that looks fun for Chad. Is he gonna go through there? We're gonna have to turn around. All right. So Chad's completely open air box with cut holes, so he can't go through water at all. Ted went through the water. There he comes. Very nice. Here comes Ted coming back through. He swamped himself. You don't care about having wet feet?
Not that deep.
So we are making our way back down this guardrail here, and then we're going to make our way over to the other side of this guardrail, which has got some fun tight wooded trails, kind of like what we're going through now. Feel a little rusty on the quad. It's been a little bit. Pretty bomb, dude. I had high hopes and exceeding my expectations. Lower section's flooded as expected. We'll take the upper line on the way out. Chad's gonna have to turn around again. It's too soggy down there.
Oh.
Well, unfortunately, Dusty's looks like he had some blowback on his oil. So we are making our way back right now, and I'm assuming they're going to just take a look at it, make sure he's got enough oil. All right, Dusty loaded up. Got blowback in the system. We don't really know what caused it. Better be safe than sorry. So look at that. He gets to ride a Scrambler 1000 now.
I keep grabbing for the front brake.
There's nothing there.
Oh.
You wait till you ride it over some rough stuff. So smooth. Okay, we're going to the north side. We'll see what the track is looking like. Oh, the track looks sick. Man, there's no way on the stock shocks the Raptor would have been nice through there. That was impressive, actually. Filter kind of day. So they essentially kind of have like a mini track here now.
I like that new track.
Isn't that sweet? I didn't realize this is contained within itself. I thought it was all connected. So after you come over the big jump where we went down the hill, you take a left and go up that other middle dirt path right there.
Oh, there is a path.
Yep. And then you bypass this road that you jump on. We are looking for Dusty and Clayton. They were with us. Uh-oh.
He spun out on the corner and just did a little roll over.
Oh, you alright?
Alright.
You don't realize how fast you're going until you fall off one of these things.
It's slippery. Settle down, speed racer. It's hard pack and slippery.
Yeah, it's not very consistent.
Are we going back to the truck right now or what?
Sure. Okay. Alright, we did a little track demo. Now we're going to make our way back. I think it's time to get some of the other cameras out. He likes it.
That's fun.
It may not be a sport quad, but it's still fun. It's still fun.
Yeah, wow. I'm liking it.
Before we continue today's video, I want to thank everybody for buying parts and merch on our website. We've added a few new designs to our merch store, so hop on there and check them out. Plus, if you're in the market for any parts, we do sell products from Hauser, Precision, Hermosi, Rossier, DRW Protection, Obor, and Slick Rock Gear, and these are all available on PeteHager.com. Now back to the video.
they are tearing on the big 4x4s right now. Going back that way.
I want to go back up. Wow, that was really cool.
Well, like everybody split. So you went one way, Dusty split, and then I went outside of Dusty to get away from the dust. And then all of a sudden you turned around. Renegade testing, BNR shock work done. Look at that. It looks like it rides great. Fun on that thing. For me. Well, we are rolling back. Fun first trip of the season, man. Forgot all about that big bowl. The one right by the tree there.
That's the one where you crashed?
Yep. Yeah, don't do it 12 times in a row. You'll eventually crash. All right, a Sportsman 110. I suppose it's the same kind of as an Outlaw 110?
Yep.
Like the same motor and everything.
Oh yeah.
Oh, you can? Oh, okay. Is it in gear?
Yeah, I think so.
Wow. That's a cool little thing.
Fun little deal, ain't it?
Yeah, you could scoot around on this all day.
So I am all loaded up. As always, it was an epic spring opener at Appleton. It's almost feels like summer because winter lasted so long, but huge shout out to all the guys that made it out. Chad, Ted, Dusty, and Clayton. It was fun to tear it up. It's fun to see all the machines in action. Really fun to see Dusty tearing it up on the Scrambler. I think his whole opinion of the sport 4x4 world has shifted a bit. He's probably going to be thinking about that a little bit on the drive home. It's definitely a good time. Hopefully whatever's up with his TRX isn't too big of a deal. As usual, Chad was fast the whole time. Dude has just got a lead thumb, man. He was just as fast on his Can-Am as he was on the TRX, so always a blast chasing him. And thank you to Ted for showing up. I'm glad he came and tore it up on the DS650. I love watching that quad in action. I also want to give a shout out to Clayton for taking a little tumble, but he still rode the rest of the day and tore it up, so that's just part of it. I'm glad he didn't get hurt any worse. And huge shout out to all the people that came over and said hi. I didn't really expect to run into any followers today, but a few people came over and said they watched the videos, so thank you to you guys, and hopefully we got a couple clips of some of you guys ripping up today. Also, last but not least, thank you guys to everybody that's been supporting us by buying parts and merch on our website. You guys help us out so much, and we are so grateful. Thank you. I guess until the next one, you guys ride safe. Hopefully the weather's good where you're at, and we'll catch you guys on the next one.